So the solutions to Wednesday's homework, we were doing kind of continuing expanding brackets, just looking at squares, and then I gave you kind of a different version of doing it, which is the area model. Okay, so if we start with 2a minus 1 to be squared, we recognize that the square means we have two of these, so we write it out twice. So 2a minus 1, 2a minus 1. Okay, we then use our rule, which is split the first bracket and multiply by the second. So I'm going to take this and put it there, and then I'm going to take this and put it over here. Okay, so I have the 2a here and I have the minus 1 here, and then after the 2a I put the second bracket, and after the minus 1 I put the second bracket. I am then going to take the 2a and distribute it across the first bracket, and then I'm going to take the minus 1 and I'm going to distribute it across the second bracket. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, and we have two a's, so that makes a squared. This is a plus, so a plus and a minus are different signs, which give me a minus. 2 times 1 is 2, and then I just have this a. Here, this is a plus, so we have a minus and a plus, different signs, give me a minus. 1 by 2 is 2, and then I just have this a. And then a minus by a minus, that's the same sign, which means plus, and 1 by 1 is 1. And then we do families, so a squared family, the a family, and then the constant family. So this is 4a squared. Now here, there are no multiplication signs, there are no brackets, so this is not a multiplication. So what we're asking ourselves is how many a's do we have? So we have minus 2a's and another minus 2a's, which means we have minus 4 in the a family. Okay, lots of people are getting confused there. In that last line, when all the brackets are gone, there's no multiplication. So you're simply doing minus 2, which is minus 4, and that is the total for the a family. You can't get an a squared or anything like that because they will only come when you're multiplying, and there is no multiplication here. Okay, and then the plus 1. All right, the second one then I'll just do over here. So 5a minus 2 squared. Again, recognize that the square means I write this twice. So that is 5a minus 2, 5a minus 2. And take the first one and put it over here. Take the second part, and put it over here. So the 5a goes here and the minus 2 goes here, and then I'm going to put the second bracket down twice, so once after the 5a and once after the minus 2. Then, I don't know where I am now. Okay, so then I'm going to take the 5a and distribute it across the first bracket, and I'm going to take the minus 2 and distribute across the second bracket. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25, and 2a's is a squared. This is a plus and this is a minus, so those signs are different, which gives me a minus. 5 times 2 makes 10, and then I just have 1a. This is a minus and this is a plus, so different signs give me a minus. 2 times 5 is 10, and then just the 1a. And then the last one is minus and minus, the same signs, which gives me a plus, and 2 times 2 is 4. So again, families, you'll notice similarities here. We have our a squared, we do have 2 from the a family, and then we have our constant. So the 25a squared is all by itself. Here again we are adding, or in this case subtracting, so minus 10 is minus 20 for the a family, and then the 4 is by itself. Okay, so that's the expanding brackets. Now we are going to expand the brackets, but we're going to expand the brackets using, zoom in a little bit, the area model. Right, so we try and draw this properly now. So we draw our box and we split it up into 4 sections, and I have 4b and then minus 3, and then I have 2b minus 4. Okay, so let's get some colour going on this one. Okay, this one maybe. So for this first box, it's a combination of this and this. They are the two sides of the first box. So it's going to be 4b multiplied by 2b. 4 by 2 is 8, and 2 b's there makes b squared. Yeah? Next one. So go different colour on this one. So the minus 3 is this bit here. And then the other side of this box is this one, which is the 2b. So the combination here is minus 3 and 2b. So that's a plus, so different signs give me a minus. 3 times 2 is 6, and just the 1b. Okay, and down here we have a new side. Actually we don't, sorry. The top of this one is the same as the 4b, so the top of this one is 4b. The side is new. The side here is minus 4. So the top was 4b and the side was minus 4. So this is plus, this is minus, so that makes minus. 4 times 4 is 16, and then a single b. Okay, and then the last one, so the top of this is the minus 3, so I use the blue, and the side of this is minus 4, so I use the green. So the top was minus 3, the side was minus 4, the two minuses, same sign, make a plus, and 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so taking out each box, I get 8b squared minus 6b minus 16b and plus 12. Okay, and then we go back to families, so the b squared family, the b family, again there's two of them, and then the constant family. So we simplify and we get 8b squared. Here, again, no multiplication, so we're just doing minus 6 minus 16, which is minus 22. That's the total for the b family, and then plus 12. Alright, and then the other one. Okay, so across the top I have 3p and minus 9. Down the side I have 4p and minus 2. Right, let's get the highlighters going again. So, across here, that's 3p. And down the side, so they're the two, these two make up the first box. So it's going to be 3p times 4p. 3 times 4 is 12, and 2p's is p squared. Okay, this box here is made up of this side, which is the minus 9, and this side, which is the 4p. So it's the minus 9 and the 4p. This is a plus, so minus plus, different signs give me a minus. 4 9s are 36, and p. Okay, so this next box down here is a combination of this side, which is the 3p, and this side here, which is the minus 2. So we have 3p and we have minus 2. This is a plus, so different signs give me a minus. 3 times 2 is 6, and then we have our p. And then this last box here is a combination of this side, which is the minus 9, and then this side, which is the minus 2. So minus 9 times minus 2. The two minuses, same sign, give me a plus, and 9 times 2 is 18. So if I put them down, I get 12p squared minus 36p minus 6p plus 18. And we'll do families, the p squared family, the p family, and the constant. So I have 12p squared. These two just get minused, so minus 36 minus 6 is minus 42p and then plus 18. Okay, so that's the homework. Please let me know if there are still issues with this after you watch this video. But hopefully that explains it. Okay.